How to delete your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to delete your Shopify store. So let's get into it. First of all, you will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. In order to delete your store completely, you will go to settings. In settings, simply go to plan. And here you will be able to find your plan and you have to just cancel your subscription and deactivate your plan. Once you do that, your store will also be deleted. So that's how you do it. If I click on deactivate right now, then my plan will be deactivated and my store will be closed as well. If you're closing your store just because you want to give it to someone else, you want to create another store, you want to change ownership, just go to user and permission right here and you can change the owner. Click on transfer ownership, enter the email address, first name, confirm your password, and you will be able to give your store or transfer your store to someone else. Also keep in mind, if you delete your store, all of your data will be lost, all the products that you have. So if you want to delete, be sure about it and just go to plans and deactivate your subscription and delete your store. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.